The video you're watching right now is not from a movie shot on a high-definition camera. It's not rendered in Unreal Engine. There was no cinematographer, no lighting crew, no motion capture rig. Every pixel you're seeing was generated by a neural network. This is Seedance 2.0. And what makes it extraordinary is not just that it generates video, but how it models time, motion, and physical coherence inside a latent space. Today, we're breaking down the architecture behind it. Not the demo, not the hype, the system design.
I like balance.
Generating an image is a spatial problem. Generating video is a spatio-temporal problem. That single added dimension, time, increases complexity exponentially. Because now the model must maintain object permanence, identity consistency, lighting continuity, camera motion physics, causal transitions. If a character walks behind a pillar, the model must remember they exist. If the camera pans left, the environment must rotate consistently. If light flickers, it must flicker across every frame. Early diffusion video models treated frames almost independently. Seedance 2.0 does not. It treats time as a structural dimension inside the latent space itself. And that's the key architectural shift. With Seedance 1.5 Pro, ByteDance introduced a dual-branch diffusion transformer architecture designed to generate audio and video together, not as separate modules stitched afterward. And now Seedance 2.0 takes that foundation to the next level. What made Seedance 1.5 important? Seedance 1.5 wasn't just another T2V model. It introduced a unified multimodal joint generation framework based on MMD-IT, a dual-branch diffusion transformer with cross-modal fusion, RLHF optimized specifically for audio-visual synchronization, a 10 times inference acceleration framework via distillation and quantization, multilingual lip-sync with dialect precision, especially strong in Chinese. Unlike systems where audio is post-generated or loosely aligned, Seedance generated speech, music, sound effects, and motion in a temporally synchronized diffusion process. That architectural choice matters, because once audio and video are trained jointly from the start, synchronization becomes structural, not corrective. Seedance 2.0 builds on that joint foundation and improves it across three technical axes. Deeper cross-modal fusion. The joint module is upgraded to enable more granular token-level alignment between phonemes, facial motion, environmental physics, and camera movement. Instead of just synchronizing lip movements, Seedance 2.0 models emotional prosody shifts aligned with facial microexpressions, sound effects tied to object interaction physics, camera motion that reacts to dialogue pacing. This pushes it closer to cinematic coherence rather than prompt-level generation. 2. Stronger narrative continuity. Seedance 1.5 already improved semantic understanding. Seedance 2.0 extends that into longer multi-shot sequences. The model better preserves character identity across cuts, emotional consistency across scenes, audio tonal stability in long dialogue exchanges. This is critical for microdramas and serialized storytelling, especially in Chinese language production pipelines. 3. Production-level audio fidelity. Audio generation is no longer just synchronized.
You think you're in control. Control? You're not.
It is spatially aware. Seedance 2.0 improves stereo depth rendering, environmental reverberation modeling, cleaner speech synthesis without syllable truncation, more stable dialect generation, including Sichuanese, Cantonese, and Taiwanese Mandarin. Where competitors often exaggerate emotional audio delivery, Seedance 2.0 prioritizes controlled expressiveness, often preferred in professional film workflows. We are entering a phase where video generation is no longer just about can it move, it's about whether it can truly perform, whether it can emote, sustain narrative tension, and feel directed like a professional production. Seedance 2.0 positions itself not merely as a demo model, but as a full-fledged production engine. Integrated across platforms such as Doubao and enterprise workflows via Volcano Engine, it is designed for real-world creative pipelines, not just for generating viral clips. Seedance 1.5 proved that native joined audio-video diffusion works. Seedance 2.0 refines it into something far closer to a controllable cinematic system. The real competition in 2026 won't just be about resolution or motion smoothness. It will be about who owns synchronized storytelling at scale. And ByteDance is clearly making that bet. If you found this breakdown useful, subscribe for more deep technical dives into next-gen AI systems. See you in the next one!